Found the easiest way to clean up after you've cooked. Put a little water in the bottom of your pan and just heat it up. Let it come to a boil. Scrape it a little. Wipe it off. Good to go. You know, a lot of people have this elaborate routine that they follow to take care of their cast iron cookware. I found it doesn't really matter what you do to it, as long as after you're done with it, you dry it and coat it with a little bit of oil. That's it. That's the only rule you need to follow. So here we are at a boil. That's it. We'll dump that out, wipe it, good as new. Nice and clean, little drop of olive oil, rub that in. Perfect. I usually keep it in a plastic bag. Just a garbage bag. Wrap it up. Put it at the side of the bed. Let it rattle around and make noise. So one drawback to a camper top like this, to keep the bugs out, you have to keep closing this and opening that. And so I grabbed a rear hatch bug screen, put a couple little sticky hanging things up there, and hung a bug net up. So hopefully that'll keep the bugs out.